So guys, let's create this design together. So guys, as usual, apply your base coat. You cure for 60 seconds and then we'll dive over to the next step. So guys, we're going to be applying this shade of nude color, okay, as our base color. You cure it for 60 seconds and we'll dive over to the next step. So this tutorial is actually very easy and very simple, but very beautiful. So to avoid the video to be too lengthy, we did the rest off camera and this is what is given. So now we are going to be drawing our French tips with our white gel polish. So just watch the video and then enjoy it and understand, okay? So guys, we did the rest of camera, and yeah, our design is almost done. So we're going to be using this dotty pin and this shade of red. Okay, use it to drop two dots, drag it down to give it a shape of V, and then fill in the gap, and voila, you get your love shape, guys. And that is basically all we did. Use the same side to drop the tiny dots, and then the one that you're going to just shape it a little bit, that's roughing shape. Guys, just watch the video and understand. Guys, I'm very terrible at voiceovers. Just watch the video and understand what I am doing. Okay, the design is actually very easy, very simple, and very beautiful. So guys, that's basically all we are doing for today's tutorial. Okay, very, like I said, very easy and simple. So we apply top coat of camera, and this is what's giving. Very beautiful. So guys, rate this design for me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about today's tutorial, and we will be trying this out. We will be rocking this design. Okay, if you are going to be giving this design to your nail tech, let me know. As a nail tech, we will be trying this for your clients, and yes, it's actually up for sale. So slide into my DM on Instagram at Vandy's Beauty World or at Personal Vendor in Asaba. Bye bye.